Welcome back to Alpha Index, the channel where we decode the markets using data, strategy, and a little bit of AI magic. Today, we're doing something big. We're asking AI to predict where the crypto market is heading in October 2025, and let me tell you, the signals we're seeing are anything but boring. So grab a coffee, because we're about to break down Bitcoin's possible top, an altcoin rotation that could create massive winners, and a regulatory decision that might make XRP the star of the show. Let's start with the big picture. Predicting crypto is never easy. This is one of the most volatile markets in the world. But history gives us clues, and this October could be a critical month. First, Bitcoin. If you've been in crypto for a while, you know about the Bitcoin halving cycle. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's block reward gets cut in half, and historically, that's been followed by a massive bull run. The last halving was in April 2024, which means we are now in that 12 to 18 month sweet spot where previous cycles have peaked. Some models are actually flashing that we could see a local top in October. Now, that doesn't mean the bull market is over forever. It just means we could be reaching that euphoric stage where prices run hard, people get greedy, and then a healthy pullback follows. Second, altcoins. If Bitcoin does pause or consolidate, that's when capital tends to rotate into altcoins. And this rotation is already starting. Analysts are predicting that October could mark the beginning of a major altcoin season, where coins outside the top two really start to run. AI sentiment models are picking up a lot of chatter around sectors like real-world asset tokenization, DeFi, and even AI-powered crypto agents. This could be one of the last great opportunities in this cycle to catch altcoins before they fully explode. Third, XRP and the ETF decision. This might be the single most important catalyst of the month. The SEC is expected to announce their decision on spot XRP ETFs in mid-October. If approved, we could see major institutional money flow into XRP, potentially driving a significant rally. If denied, we might see short-term pain and volatility, but that could also create a buying opportunity for those with conviction. Either way, October is going to be pivotal for XRP. Fourth, Ethereum and institutional demand. Ethereum is holding strong. Its network upgrades are complete, and the spot Ethereum ETF has been a success so far. Analysts are watching to see if ETH can outperform Bitcoin going into the last quarter of the year. Historically, Ethereum has lagged Bitcoin early in the cycle and then outperformed later, so we might be right on the edge of that transition. Fifth, the macro picture. We can't talk crypto without talking about the Fed. Rate cuts are still happening, and that means investors are feeling a bit more risk-on. Cheaper money tends to flow into riskier assets, which is a tailwind for crypto overall. Put all of this together, and October 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most important months we've seen this entire cycle. But here's the key takeaway. Volatility will be high. There will be winners and losers. This is a month to be strategic, not emotional. The AI models we're using are pointing toward a possible Bitcoin peak, an altcoin breakout, and a make-or-break moment for XRP. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think October will mark the top of this cycle, or do you think we still have months of upside left? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to see it, and make sure to subscribe to Alpha Index so you don't miss our next update. Because in crypto, timing is everything, and staying informed is your edge. I'll see you in the next one.